Ashleen and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do a beginner's guitar tutorial of the acoustic version of Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. I just wanted to put something simple together. This song is super easy to learn. It's just 4 simple chords. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to learn how to play the acoustic version of Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so this song is super simple to learn. There are just 4 chords and I just use a strumming pattern. So I'm just going to zoom you in here and show you the 4 chords that are involved. Alright, so the chords you're going to need to know for this song are an A minor, and a C major 9, a modified F, an E minor, and a G. And for the strumming pattern, it's super simple. I'm just using my thumb to strum. So what I do is I strum down, and then I hit, and then I strum down, and then up, and then hit. So putting it all together, it's strum down, hit, strum down, up, hit. And if that's too complicated for you, you can always just do down strums, if that's just easier for you. And for each chord, I am repeating this strumming pattern. So for A minor, for example, it would go like this. Down, hit, down, up, hit. Down, hit, down, up, hit. And then for C major 7, down, hit, down, up, hit. Down, hit, down, up, hit. And then for the modified F, down, hit, down, up, hit. Down, hit, down, up, hit. And for E minor, it's only going to be 1 strumming pattern. So down, hit, down, up, hit. And then for G, same thing, 1 strumming pattern. So down, hit, down, up, hit. And then you'll go back to A minor. So the chord progression is quite simple for this song. You start with A minor, and then you go to C major 7, you go to the modified F, you go to E major, and then you end off with a G, and then you repeat. So it's quite simple. Alright guys, so those are the chords for the song, and that's the strumming pattern. You can simplify it if you're a super beginner and make it your own, whatever works for you. Feel free to pause this video to learn the chords if you need to. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put all the chords together and play the first verse, and I'll have the chords up in the left corner here. I love it when you call me Señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. Alright guys, so that is my beginner's guitar tutorial for the acoustic version of Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. Let me know if you like this video by giving it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more guitar tutorials like this, then click that subscribe button. And please let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video, or if you need any help or have any suggestions for me. I would really love to know, so let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.